You just never know what is going to pop up when you play with dies from Karen Burniston. Hello and welcome to Karen's Creative Cards on YouTube. I'm Karen Hashik and I've been a fan of Karen Burniston and her pop-up dies for years. And in this video I'm sharing many cards made with the newest release. Isn't this chick adorable? I've made many pop-up animals with Karen's different sizes of pop-up ball dies, and my favorite of the sizes available now is the mini ball pop-up because it fits so much easier into cards of many sizes, and also it lays flat enough to mail. So this is the new Animal Add-ons 5, and you can make chicks and bunnies with it. And this guy is going to go into my grandson's Easter basket. But look what happens when you see how he pops. Really, really cute and fun to make. This card is for my other grandson. And just look at what happens when you open it. So this is made with several of the other new dies in this set. And of course, all the details on all the cards I show will be on my blog, and links to the blog posts and the products featured are in the description box. So here's a couple new borders and the sentiment, layered sentiment, and then when you open it, see who pops up? A really, really cute bunny. He pops, and then he lays flat for mailing. Isn't that adorable? I used 3 more of the new sets in this cute card. So we have a adorable monkey. This is a previously released animal set. And sunshine, wishing you sunshine. And then when it opens, this scene pops up. And you can see the beach elements and the tiny accessories for that dresses the animals. And then this is the Lorna Label Pop Up. And see how there's this very generic, very easy to use pop-up in this card. And we have warmest wishes and a beautiful sunshine beachy scene to send to somebody. My favorites of the new dies are the tea and coffee pop-up dies, and as well as the tea and coffee borders die sets. And here's the first card that I made with the teacup options. So we have these teapots sending hugs in these cute little cups here, and then when this one opens, look what happens. The tea bag and the steam move as you're opening it, and you got this really cute embossed teacup here popping up, and then movement in the steam and the tea piece there. So isn't that cool? I'm going to show you how to make a similar card with the coffee cup options of both of these sets. I have cut a 5.5-inch square card. Now you can use a top folding A2 card or other sizes, but things wanted to peek out when I was making it, so I made mine just a bit larger. Now I've cut all the pieces I need, and I've also attached some pretty designer paper in the inside of this top folding card. This is the main apparatus piece here. And then there's an arm piece, and so I've cut those out and have them ready. We're going to fold on all of the scored lines. So there are 1, 2, 3 lines that you fold on, and I just fold both ways just to make sure that they're nice and flexible. And then when this one is down, you also take this piece here and it has a diagonal fold on both sides, and so we're going to fold down on that both ways. And then we'll put this back out. This is going to go into the card like this, and then these are going to fold this way, and then this piece is going to pop out. I'm going to refer to the directions here. Karen Burniston, of course, always has great directions on her packaging, but she also has wonderful videos, and the video for this set is out. And I do suggest that you always watch her videos because, of course, she is the expert. So we have this here, and this piece is going to go up, and this is out, and then this is going to fold this way, and this is going to fold this way. So this is kind of how this is going to look. Okay, so we're going to take this. I put some strong two-sided tape here to save a little time on waiting for glue to set up, but of course liquid glue works very well for this as well. So we're going to put this in here into the fold. I'm going to do it in the center of the card, but you could choose to do it on one side or the other. And then you're going to fold this like this. And then I want glue on this piece here, and that's what's going to stick to the top of the card. And I'm going to fold this down onto that, and I'm going to hold that while it sets up. I have the arm piece cut. I have a spoon cut out of gold mirror card. I have some steam. I'm making a coffee cup this time, so I cut the coffee cup out, and then I had an older die that I just added Have a Good Day on that. And then this piece is going to be for the signature. I got a little extra glue there, but that seems to be set up good. Can you see that? Okay. And then we are going to attach the arm piece. It is going to be attached to that little, the front of that little piece that's sticking out there. I find the easiest thing to use to do that is a glue dot. Stick that in, push it down. So that is going to move a little bit when the card is opened. Then we're going to attach the coffee cup, and that's going to get glued to this piece right there. Get that set up. In this one I decided that I am going to put the steam right on to the coffee cup, and then I am going to try to animate the spoon. So I actually have two-sided adhesive on here. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but I'm going to give it a try. I probably will have to neutralize parts of that with my powder. But since this was already cut out of a piece that had two-sided stickiness on it, I'm just going to give that a try. So I'm going to put this here. It should Should stick very well, I hope. And then there is, if you, you probably can't see it, but there is a little stickiness on the sides of that spoon, so I'm just neutralizing that with some powder. So you can see when the card is open, that spoon is going to move. Probably should have put that down just a little more, but that's okay. And then this, I think I'm going to stick on with a couple more glue dots. If I can get them off of here. This is the end of the roll here, huh? Yeah, that's not going to work. Let's just try a bigger one and fold it up a little bit. I want it on the front. I like my liquid glue, but I don't always like to wait until it sets up. So I'm going to try to use this here. They go on and they're sticky immediately, of course. So the spoon is going to move when the card is opened, and the steam is coming up. And then I just cut a square out of another die set that Karen makes and added a couple of the cute little coffee cups there from the border set. And we will add this as a place to sign. I always do the inside of my Karen Burniston cards first, just in case something doesn't work. But I have a card front ready to go. I used that same pretty pattern paper, and then Thinking of You, and added a few hearts from the border set there, and that's going to go on here. But I am going to add some coffee beans border to the top and bottom of that sentiment area. Whoop. That border is just a tinge longer than what I need, so I'll trim them off. And then we'll add the front cover. I have friends and relatives who love coffee and tea, so these cards will be perfect for them, especially when I am thinking of them and want to send some get well wishes or feel better soon wishes, or any type of day that I might be wanting to let them know that I'm thinking of them. So there is the pretty front of the card. Have those cute coffee beans, Thinking of You, and then when the card is opened, the coffee cup pops up with the steam rising and the spoon movement, and a place to sign. I love how all these cards turned out, and I hope they encourage you to give some of the ideas and products a try. Watch the next video for some more ideas and cards using the many innovative interactive dies from Karen Burniston, and then send some of your handmade joy out into this world.